Okay, so this is a video on Pythagoras' theorem. Pythagoras' theorem states the following, that if you have a right angled triangle, now it must be a right angled triangle, it doesn't work for other triangles, and you label your sides A, B and C, that C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Now C is always the longest side, and the longest side on a right angled triangle is always the one opposite the right angle. So this squared plus this squared equals this squared. The other thing worth mentioning, it doesn't matter which ones you label A and B, they can be either way around. C is the important one to get right. Let's take a wee look at a couple of examples. So the first one is to try and find the length of the side labeled X. The first thing we need to do, and always do, is label our sides. So C is the one opposite the right angle, so we're going to call that one C. The other two we're going to call then A and B. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C squared equals 4 squared plus 7 squared. C squared equals 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. Let's move down a little bit here. C squared then equals, is it 65? And C then is going to be the square root of 65. So if we put that into our calculator, the square root of 65 equals, and we get 8.06 if we go to 3 significant figures. So C then is 8.06. Let's take a look at another example. If I just get rid of this one here. Here is one as well. So that's 12, and that's 19. And again, we're trying to find this one here. We label our three sides. The longest one is always C. We'll call this one A. We'll call this one B. Our formula as ever, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C squared equals 12 squared plus 19 squared. C squared equals 144 plus 19 squared. 19 times 19 gives you 361. C squared equals, let's put that into our calculator, 144 plus 361 equals 505. And to find C, we're going to find the square root of the answer, which is the square root of 505, and C in this case is going to be 22.5.